Welcome to Smart Math. Today I am trying to solve this Math Olympiad problem without using calculator. So let's find out the solution. So our main equation is double square root 7 into 11 into 23 into 37 plus 9 here. So our solution is become, if I'm rearranging the equation, we got 7 here, 7 into 37 into 11 into 23 plus 9 square root here. So if I'm wrote next step, 7 into 37 is become 30 plus 7 is 37 here, into 11 23 is become 20 plus 3 is 23 here, plus 9 square root here. So next step, if we multiply inside, the equation is become 7 into 30 is 210 plus 7 into 7 is become 49. 7 becomes 49. I have a solution, and the next step we got multiplication inside here. 11 into 20 is 220 plus 11 into 3 is 33 plus 9 square root here. So next step is, if I add these two terms, 210 plus 49, this is become 259 into this is 220 plus 33 become 253 plus 9 square root and square root here, that is equals to. So if I wrote this 259 is become 256 plus 3 is become 59 into 256 minus 3 is become 253 plus 9 square root and square root here. So this look like the power of this look like the algebraic identity. So this sum and difference. So this is A and this is the value of B here. So A is equals to 256 and B, that is equals to 3 here. So identity of sum and difference formula is A plus B into A minus B, that is equals to A square minus B square. So our equation is become 256 whole square minus B is 3 square plus 9 square root, that is equals to. So 256 is so if I wrote 256 square minus 3 threes are 9 here, plus 9 square root here, that is equals. So square plus and minus term cancel. So our resultant value is 225 6 to the power of 2 square root. So square and square root cancel out, so one square root cancel, that is equals to 256 square root here. So 256 square root here. So 256 square root, if I multiply 16 into 16, 6 6 are 36, 3 power, 6 1s are 6 and 6 1s are 6 and power is 9 here, into 6 1s are 6 and 6 1 1s are 1 here, 6 and this is 9 and 5 power 1 here 1 plus 1 is 2 here, 256. So if I'm wrote 256, it become 16 into 16 square root. So 16 into 1 power, this is square here, square root here, square and square root cancel. So our resultant answer is becomes 16 is our desired answer. So thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe.